I think we are live. Yeah, now we're live. Hey guys, welcome back. It's day 6 of trying to get a software engineering internship. As you see, sorry, not chi. The channel's been blowing up. It says 51 subscribers on the subscriber goal, but we're at about 62. I think we were at 46 yesterday, so we almost gained like 16, 17 subscribers, and the videos are popping off. Like we went from 96 views, 162, 409. I think it's even more than that, but showing the wrong number. And then yesterday's stream hit 316. So we are basically kind of blowing up right now. And yeah, that's awesome, man. I love the support. We had a lot of amazing people on chat yesterday. But yesterday we started with Leet Code. We did the blind 75. I can kind of show what we did. I believe we did a 2D program. Oh, no way. It's the man himself. It's Amin Bagiri, fam. Yo, this is the man who paved the way. If you guys don't know about him, I can show you his channel. Insane guy right here. Amin Bagiri right here. This guy paved the way. 17.4K subscribers. Look at his lives. 146K views. 33K views. Absolute legend. And he is our inspiration for this. He definitely paved the way. He actually, if you guys watched my day one video, he's the one who told me about all this stuff. So props to him, man. Thank you for joining the live, bro. But yeah, we did unique paths yesterday. We were able to do that without any GPT help, so that was nice. And we also did another linked list question over here. We did the merge two sorted lists, so that was awesome. But yeah, other than that, today we're gonna start off with our stock predictor website. Big respect, man. Wish you all the best. We'll be chilling here. Appreciate it, man. You got me nervous now, bro. We got the main guy watching. We got the main guy watching. But yeah, I mean, we've been doing a stock predictor thing. I can try to show you what it looks like. We have a stock predictor application. Well, not application, I guess website, but it works as an application. I'll just get that started right now. Let's open it. How did I do it last time? We're using Flask, so that's kind of annoying. But how did I do it? Yeah, I did it like this. And then no, I just did this. And then I did a Python app.py. So this is what we currently have. I mean, if you are seeing this, I got this stuff going on right here. So this is what we currently have. I don't know, what do you think of this design? Is it sick or what? We got the little blue nav bar thing going on. Right now I'm just working on building the machine learning model. We're using the algorithm LSTM, I think. LTSM, something like that. LSTM model, which what does it use? I forget. I forget what it does exactly. It networks for your stock. Given the complexity type, it's a recurrent neural network. What does it do again? I forget. It's somewhere here. Yeah, it's this one. Long short-term memory use case time series. So it's effective for sequential data and capturing temporal dependencies, but the cons are it requires a large amount of data and computational power, which can be difficult to train. So this is obviously not an easy project, but we are gonna hustle through and try to get this done within the next 2 months or even faster if possible. So What did I, yeah. So I'm making a new stock predictor py file, and I'm probably gonna put this in because this is the code I generated. I think this is all I need apparently for this, but let's see if this works. Save. Um, import numpy could not be resolved. Quick fix. Bro, the fuck? Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah, nav is done. Fire. Don't have any idea what's going on. It was so super interesting. Yeah, I took one machine learning course. So like this is honestly my first time like kind of working with it. We're like using the Y Finance library in Python for like the data. I'm doing a so like with the website, right? There's like ticker symbols, so Apple's like AAPL, and then you press predict. I mean, right now it says prediction result for Apple, but we don't like we have to build this page obviously. But right now I'm trying to build the actual model so that it works. Machine learning is a pain in the ass, by the way. Probably like the most annoying thing to do, but it is definitely worth learning in this market, I'd say. At least that's what I think personally. It's worth learning in this market. Um, what is going on here, bro? Control C. But how do I even like? What do I do with this? So I have this. So it's telling me just do this. But okay, so this file will be created when I run it by the script. Okay. Stock predictor.py. Pip install. Okay, so I have to do all these first. Okay. Now installing all the libraries. Nice. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see the thing collecting things. Wait, it's cooking up right now. It's cooking. We're downloading everything up right now. But yeah, I think today I'm mostly gonna focus on the project and then do Leet Code tomorrow because I don't have as much time today. It is a Sunday. Tomorrow's Canada Day. Is tomorrow Canada Day? Tomorrow is Canada Day. That's kind of crazy. Canada Day. It is indeed tomorrow. Happy Canada Day to all my fellow Canadians. Eh? But let's see. Let's try to run this now. Let's see if this code I have actually even works. Where the fuck is it? Yeah, I already have the file. It's touch underscore stock underscore predictor .py. What is the directory supposed to look like? Okay, nice. Oh, was I supposed to? I'm not sure. Let's just try running it regardless. Oh, and can't open file. No such file or directory. Okay. Let's see why this is happening. Why is this happening? This is what my files look like. For here we go. This will show GPT what's going on with the file paths and everything. Yeah. Let's see what it cooks up. But yeah, everyone, whoever else is here, I think there's another viewer other than Amin. Engage in chat. I love talking to the community. I'm gonna be building a Discord soon for everyone to talk and like give advice to each other as we are in the worst tech market since 2008. So it would be good for us to all network, get to know each other and all that. So I think my platform I want to use for the benefit of everyone. But let's see what's going on here. So the error message indicates the file path may be incorrect at the file stock underscore predictor that be in the specific. Based on the directory screen, the file is located inside a subdirectory named stock underscore predictor. Navigate to the. Okay, that's fair. CD. Change directory. Using to correct the file path. Okay. And are we good? No, this shit's stuck now. What's going on here? What is going run the script? So I think I just alternate update script to use absolute path. New update. Hey man, hey Thopu, what's good, dog? Again, you're a consistent man over here, Thopu, bro. How was your Leet Code contest? I think that's what you were saying yesterday. I'm doing great, man. How are you? Anib actor, get ready for bro. What is this gibberish? I don't even know this guy, bro. Anib actor. But I'm doing good, Thopu. How are you, man? How was your Leet Code contest? Um, oh shit! I think Anib, you gotta remember that the man in chat over here knocked you out a couple years ago. Oh, what the heck? We just cooked up something. Damn, he's telling you we gotta run it again. Yo, this is a friendly neighborhood, guys. You guys gotta relax. But look, we cooked up some data over here. Apparently, I did something. I don't know what I did. But oh, it's from here. Okay. Okay, look, we just did some machine learning, boys. Yeah. Contest sucked, man. I was able to solve one easy in. Bro, some easies are like the hardest stuff ever, bro. So as long as you tried, like my first contest, dude, I'm not even gonna lie to you, I couldn't even solve one. So I'd be proud of you, bro. Like, especially if you didn't know the questions beforehand or like had no like experience with those questions, like don't take it to heart. The fact that you even solve one, you should be happy about, in my opinion. But no, Thopu, you're a smart guy, bro. I saw your repository yesterday. I wouldn't worry that much about it, man. But let's look at this. So our testing data, I don't even know what the hell is going on here. We did something. We cooked something up. Let's just show GPT what we just got with this. Um, so this green stuff here is the test predict. Um, so I don't know why it's not like from okay, maybe I'm guessing it just never got to that price. But what's this? What's the oh time? Okay, so we're predicting from here onwards. But why are we doing the time as this? Like, and I don't even know what the so is this dollars? Okay, this is Apple's prices, right? Yeah, this is Apple's data. So let's check Apple. Yeah, the questions were like math heavy for interviews that stick to Leet Code. Yeah, that's what I found with Leet Code is like a lot of the time there's some gibberish on there and I wouldn't always worried about it too much. Like Leet Code Blind 75 is probably your best bet for like any coding interview. They're not, especially with junior and intern positions, they're not gonna give you some cooked stuff. But yeah, sticking to Leet Code Blind 75 I think is ideal just because it gives you a good mix of every type of question possible. So that's awesome. But let's check Apple's stock price to see if what the data we did end up generating is correct. So Apple stock is at $210.62. What we have here is not there, so something is wrong. Something. I mean, it's not far from it, but our current price we're looking at about 100 from this. So I don't know. Wait, what data are we even using? Pretty sure we are using Apple's data, but let's see. So how does this work? MATLAB is building the front cache. This may take a moment. Using the model object as the first layer argument. Compile. So let's just see what's kind of going on here. Thopu, I know you built some machine learning projects, right? Or I think you said you use Flask. I don't know about machine learning, but do you know anything about these graphs and like the training, testing, all that stuff? Um, Let me just give GPT my graph that I got. This is the graph, the code produced. Can you explain what is going on and if this is correct? Oh ho ho, ho ho ho. A little bit. A little bit. Yeah, machine learning is a whole different realm, man. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it's a very crazy realm. For today's stream, I'm gonna have to end it in like an hour because I have to be somewhere at 7 my time. So right now it's 5:47. So hopefully the hour stream is pretty good. It's gonna be more than an hour. My first and last ML project was in 2020. Damn. So you like an OG ML guy, hey? Like yeah, you're like an OG guy. That's pretty cool. This is my first ML project. My dad's friend, he owns a company called ML Soft. If you guys want to check it out, they basically he's big on machine learning. Like it's like he got a PhD in it and stuff. So I took a course with him and he was teaching it and I kind of got to know what some of this stuff is, but it's just a whole different realm, man. Like it's not your normal like software development or anything like that, but it's very beneficial for like today's market. That's why I kind of wanted to build a project around that because with Python it's not even that hard. Like machine learning isn't like easy, I'm not saying that, but you have GPT and you have so many resources, there's no excuse anymore. That's just my opinion for like building projects, right? Because at the end of the day, if you build a cool machine learning project, what company won't want to hire you? I mean, in today's market, they just don't want to hire you just because like they just don't hire at all. But when people do want to hire, um, what's going on here? Um, uh, my mom is calling me. But yeah, let's see what to do here. So the explanation of the plot. The plot generated by script shows the following. The blue line, the actual stock price. As we know, yep, that was... We're getting about 110, 100... I don't know what currency this is even in. But the line represents the actual stock price. From the data set, it shows its historical prices over time. So I don't know when Apple's price was even at 100. Like, was that 5 years ago? Oh, this is somewhat correct if you like go till like 2022 or like even yeah, like till like the end of 2022. This is correct till. So that is pretty good. But after that, it's not really the same. So I don't know why that is, but let's see. Orange line train predict. So training. This is just a training the model thing. This line represents the stock prices predicted by the LSTM model on the training data. This model was trained on this portion of the data, so it should ideally fit well. So this line represents the stock price predicted by the LSTM model on the training data. So, okay, this model is trained on this portion, so it should have. So let's see how this looks. So this is our training data, the orange stuff. So this was its prediction. So it's not too far off. And then it kind of like towards this area becomes similar to it, and then it stops going here. I don't know why it stops here, but I'm guessing we only gave it this portion. I'd have to review the code and see what's really going on here. And then this is where we ask it to, or this is our testing. What's going on here? Test predict. So the green line, this line represents the stock price predicted by the LSTM model on the test data. This portion of the data was not seen by the model during training, so it serves a measure of the model's predictive performance. So as we can see, this is spot on. So this model works. Like if you look at the green stuff compared to the blue, because green is test predict, blue is actual stock price. You can see that this is very like it's doing pretty well. In terms of the training predictions, we weren't fully on there with the data set we were given, but I think it did decently well. Now, this is actual stock data for Apple, and this starts from about approximately, I'm guessing when it ever started. Yeah, so it goes from here and then it does that. Nice. So we have the data until December of 2022. So I guess we're not going to obviously have the perfect data, but it's still pretty accurate from what we can see. So this is working. Now, okay, yeah, so this is working. So what can we do now? So interpretation. The orange line should closely follow the blue line in the training period because the model has been trained on this data. If the orange line closely matches the blue line, it indicates that the model has learned the training data well. Testing performance green line. The green line represents the model's predictions on the unseen test data. If the green line closely follows the blue line, it indicates that the model has good predictive power and is not overfitting the training data. Okay. So if the green line follows the blue line and the model is good. So we have good predictive power. Like it's completely fine. It's like spot on. It's basically the same. So that's a good sign. If the green line closely follows the blue line, it indicates that the model, okay. If the green line diverges significantly from the blue line, it indicates that the model may be overfitting or not generalizing well to new data. Okay. So we don't have that issue. That means our code currently is working very well for us. Possible issues. A close fit. Oh, close fit on testing that. So assessing the model we have. Close fit on training that. A close fit between the orange and blue line suggests that the model is capturing the patterns in the training data effectively. And then the close fit on the testing data. A close fit between the green and blue lines suggests that the model is generalizing well to unseen data, which is a good sign of model performance. Awesome. So the possible issues: overfitting. If the orange line fits blue line very well, but the green line does not, the model might be overfitting. This means the model has learned the training data too well, including noise, and does not perform well on new data. So we don't have that issue. Oh, or we do have that issue. I'm not sure. But underfitting. If both the orange and green lines do not fit the blue line well, the model might be underfitting. This means the model is too simple to capture the underlying patterns in the data. So we do not have any of those issues. So improvements and next steps. Hyperparameter tuning. Experiment with different hyperparameters. Example, number of LSTM units, batch size, number of epochs to see if the model performance improves. Feature engineering includes additional. Okay, this is all YAP. So what is the unit of time that the graph uses? And what currency is the stock price? Is what we need to know. I mean, we could just look at the code actually. Let's see. So we use the ticker symbol Apple. Normally, I mean, this is just for this specific symbol. We obviously don't just want to use that. Oh, we have our Apple data over here. Nice. So, okay, so that we start from 2010, and then we go on to. This better be long, bro. Let's go to the bottom. 2022 December 30th. So this is accurate data. Obviously, we don't have the most current one, but let's just go with what we have because we're using the Y Finance library. So let's see what we can do. So ticker symbol. So we're starting and then we're going till here. Oh, why am I downloading only till then? If I can just, okay, then I can change the date. What's the current date right now? Sunday, June 30th. Why don't I just do this? What's the month? 6. Okay, wait. Is this day or I don't know. Is this day or month? I don't even know, honestly. Wait. 06. Is it day month? Is it year month day or day month? Sorry. Uh, uh, each unit on the x-axis represents a trading day. The graph spans from the start date to the end date. Okay, anyways, what's the yeah, let's ask, is it day, month, year? Or what, how does that work? Is it day, month, year? Or what is this combination? So then we can get the most current data and see how it works on that. First, we just gotta find out what this is. Hmm. So, oh no. Okay. So year, month, day. Awesome. Okay, let's fix the code then. Year, month, day, and then we'll do year, month, and then 30th. Command S, and then let's run this again. So let's just quickly run this code one more time. So we run it by doing this. So it takes a bit for it to come. So we gotta wait a little bit. Yeah, it's cooking up. It's cooking up. Man, I forgot to pray Doher, guys. I'm Muslim, so I don't know if you guys know what that is, but I forgot to pray, and I'm kind of sad now. I should have been more well prepared, but yeah, I kind of messed up. But it is what it is. I can't do anything. I didn't do it on purpose. Okay, awesome. So if you guys see over here, we have the most current data. So this is for 2024. So if we check Apple's stock price and I combine these two, and you guys can kind of just see. Okay, yeah, here we go. If you look at these graphs, they're the same, right? You guys can, I don't know. Maybe I use like a Yahoo Finance or something, like a better graph. This is Apple's own graph, Market Watch. Okay, we'll just use the Google one. But if you guys like look at this, like we'll do the max. This is literally the same graph, right? So our data is predicting and training very well. Oh, actually, to be honest with you, now the training data is too close to the testing data. So maybe I should ask GPT like if that's okay for me to do. Let's see the data CSV we have here. Yeah, so we've updated till 2024 now, but I think that is affecting our training data. So I'm gonna give this to GPT so it can quickly just make changes for me. So I changed the end date to the current day, which is June 30th, 2024. Can you change this code so that it keeps working the way it is supposed to? We're not getting much engagement in chat, guys. Come on, we gotta keep it up. As before, we were getting a lot of engagement, but right now we've slowed down. I want to talk to you guys. Let's see what it cooks up. We need more engagement in chat, guys. I need to see more of you. Okay. We now have the most current, we have some current stuff. Changes made. We imported data for data. Awesome. So let's add these changes. Command V, Command S, Control C, and then let's just run this really quickly. Man, you gotta work with terminal so much. It's so fucking annoying. I hate working with terminal, but that's just the name of the game. Terminal is your best friend, even when you don't want it to be. Okay, we're just gonna run this. Let's cook up. We cooking up. It's cooking up. We cooking. Let's see what happens. It's taking a bit of time, but we'll be there. 11 seconds, 10 seconds. We're almost there. We're almost there, guys. Keep cooking, fam. Keep cooking. Yep. Awesome. Oh no. Now our testing data is kind of off. It's not bad, but I don't know, let's ask GPT. I think maybe this is better. Like, it's not completely accurate, but it's not terrible. This is the new graph I have. So now we've set the code so that it automatically just gets the current date instead of us having to give it to it. So we don't ever have to worry about that part. Like, we just made a variable called end_date, and that just sets it to the current day. So we don't have to like keep changing that. And the start date doesn't matter. We'll just start from 2010. Like, who cares? But let's see what GPT has to say. The new graph looks quite informative. Here's the detail on what it shows you and how you can further interpret and improve the results. Now, I don't really care to make this a perfect model because this is, again, a coding project. I'm not trying to sell anything to anyone. If there was a way to predict stocks perfectly, I think we would all be using that right now. So I don't know how much it really wants me to change everything, but represents the actual June 30th. Represents the stock rate predicted by the on the trend. This line is expected to fit closely with the actual stock prices in the training period, indicating that the model has learned the historical pattern as well. Before I get off stream today, I do want to make sure that I am able to get in a page where once we do for the stock ticker, if I do put like AAPL or whatever, when I press this page, I mean, I'm denied access. I don't think it's running right now. But when I do press this, I want it to show this is the predicted stock price for the next day. That's what I want to get at now, because once I do that, this project will just become mostly just me fixing the visuals of this project. So it won't be too hard anymore. But we're actually making a lot of progress. But probably there's going to be bugs and stuff that comes up. But mostly I want to focus on visualization, making this actually look good. But yeah, other than that, in terms of stock tickers, is Apple's called AAPL in general? Or how does it work? Not sure. That's kind of, oh yeah, AAPL. So it is called AAPL. But yeah, I mean, are you still in chat or did you dip? He might not be here. I don't think he is here. What about you, Thopo? Are you still here? I think everyone left, man. We're living a lonely life right now. What is this? You can enhance the visualization to show the actual dates instead of. Oh, that would be great. Where do I change this? Where do I add this code. Anyone in chat, guys, if you are here, say what's up. I'm willing to talk. I love talking to my people. Okay. Where did they add this? Where is dates in here? Okay, I guess you just added it to the end. Y_test. I went to get dinner, man. No worries. I'm starting uni soon. Welcome back, by the way, Thupo. I'm starting uni soon, studying computer science. As someone who's going down the same path, your journey is very cool to see. Man, I appreciate that, Sticky Boo. And CS is a great industry. I know it's bad right now, but that's just the whole market, dude. You can't even find a minimum wage job. I live in Canada. You cannot even find minimum wage jobs. That's how bad the job market is. So anyone telling you CS is done, it's cooked, this and that, they don't know what they're talking about. So I'm very glad you're joining the journey, man, and I hope you all the success. And I'm here for you whenever you guys need me. You can ask me any questions you want. Obviously, since you're an incoming CS student, if you got any questions, like ask in chat, I'm more than welcome to help and stuff like that. But yeah, for now, let's just get this copy code and then put that in here, and then let's cook up. Control C. And then where was our little code running thing we had? Right here. Oh. Why am I wait, what? What happened? I'm doing something wrong. I'm from New Zealand, hoping to get an internship in my second year while I study. That's awesome, man. We got people all over the world. And this guy's from New Zealand. Yeah, man, that sounds awesome. I hope you definitely get it. And the market's probably gonna improve when you come in and stuff like that. Like in 2 years, hopefully, everything should be great, I think. Why is this not working? Okay, we cooking up some more data. That's what area do you specialize in? Yeah, you guys gotta engage in chat as well. I love to see this. Thopu's engaging with Sticky Boog. I think that's how you say it. It's awesome. You guys should also engage. And the Discord server, once I make it and stuff, like everyone can just talk there and we can all like network with each other. That's really great to see. Oh, we got the dates and stuff. Now, okay, so we just changed the everything. So now we have like more dates. We're predicting higher prices, but we do have dates in here. I don't know why it's skipping so fast, but now we have dates and stuff. So this is great to see. I like to see this. This is good. This is kind of overpricing, but yeah. Haven't shows yet, just starting. Mohammed, what's up, Talha? Oh, my man, Mohammed Sumro. This guy's from my university. Amazing guy as well. Nice to meet you, man. How are you? How's your solar stuff going? Hoping to get into machine learning, maybe, or fintech. Yeah, those are some great those are some great what's it called? How do I say this? Those are some great fields for sure. You should definitely look into them. They're big money makers. if you get into the States as well, I don't know how it is in New Zealand. Something to do with AI would be cool. That's what we're working on, man. Definitely join the chat more. Join the streams more. You'll see this is literally all machine learning what I'm doing over here, right? So I'm here. If you guys got any questions, I'm here to ask. We have my friend Mohammed Sumro here, and yeah, we're everyone from all over the world is joining, and that's awesome to see. Let's see what else. What's the graph about? My solar stuff is going well. I'm also looking at internships. Good productive summer. That's great, man. The graph is just so this is Apple stock prices. So, um, the orange line is our training prediction data for our machine learning algorithm, and then the green line is our testing on this is so we're testing this segment of the data, and we're training the data for this segment. So from 2010 to like 2021, we're training our data for that stuff. And then based off that, we're using this data for testing the most current stock prices. And we're trying to basically predict the stock price. So that's what the graph's about. And you can see this is correlating to Apple's prices currently. So this is Apple's current prices, and you can see like, I mean, they're kind of starting from 1994, but if you go from like 2010 onwards, about here, we have the exact same data. So the blue line is their actual stock price, and then this is the prediction. So we're pretty good right now in terms of that. But how's your internships search going, man? How is everything? Um, let's try to quickly so we have some good stuff going on here. Let's just and anyone who's new, guys, you gotta subscribe, bro. We gotta build this channel up. We gotta keep going. We gotta keep moving quick. This is gonna be a shorter stream than usual, but I love the traction we're already getting. We have 4 people watching right now. I love to see it. Mohammed Sumro, that's sick. Did you use Tableau to make it? It's going mid looking to improve my lead code skills. That's great, dude. We were doing lead code yesterday. If you watch our video from yesterday, I talk all about like how I improved and stuff like that. Obviously, I'm not perfect. I'm not saying I'm amazing, but I think like if we all talked with each other and gave each other tips, that would be great. And using Tableau to make no, I'm using Python right now, and I'm using the framework Flask to show everything in terms of on the web and all that, like for like visualization. So yeah, right now I'm working on the machine learning model. I think we're basically done with it. So we kind of like can see that. Now all I kind of have to just do is present that data, which I will now be doing actually. Although I might not have enough time, but we have like 15-20 minutes to do that. So let's just quickly try to cook something up. And if I'm not able to do it today, I'm gonna definitely do it tomorrow. Abdullah Khan, www. Damn, bro, how are you, bro? This guy, legend over here, OG, the OG Abdullah Khan, OG from Churchill. How are you, bro? How's your internship going, Abdullah? Um, let's see what we can currently do. Now that I have the data for my actual I want to predict the stock price for the next month from the end date and present that on my do more people are free on Sunday. Maybe that's why there's a lot of peeps here. Do more Sunday streams. Yeah, I think you're right, man. I think we gotta do a lot of Sunday streams. But yeah, Abdullah Khan, that's awesome, bro. I hope it goes really well for you, inshallah. But yeah, Thopu, you're right. We should do more Sunday streams. This is the most people I think I've had concurrently watching, so that's pretty great. Um, let's see what it does for this. We cooking up something. Um, Yeah, so what I'm trying to do is for the next, I think this doesn't have it for the next month, but we want to get the data for the next month. Do you have an Insta page for your channel, bro? I can share on my story. Will bring more traction here. No, I don't. But yeah, I don't really. I guess I have my own personal account. But what you can do is you can share the link of the stream and then maybe send a photo or something. But I really appreciate you doing that for me. That's awesome, man. But yeah, normally what I just do is I would just take a photo of the stream and say like, check it out or something if you're interested in CS, and then share the link. But you don't have to do that. But I appreciate you offering that. Um, let's see. After this predicted test data, we had a loop to generate future predictions. The loop uses the last sequence from the test data to predict the next day and updates the sequences with this new prediction. So we're gonna generate it for the next 30 days starting from the data set plot. Awesome. Okay, let's cook this up. Okay, Control C. And then we run the script. Where is my script? Right here. Here's my script. Let's run this. Let's see what happens. We're cooking up again. Let's see what goes down. We have 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But yeah, guys, how are you guys? Whoever's still here. I think Amin's still here, but I think he might, like, I think he's watching, but I just don't think he's engaged, which is all good. But we love his presence. As you guys know, I did take influence from his stuff. I will also check him out, although I don't think he streams anymore, but he's inspiration, man. That guy's awesome. You guys should definitely also check him out. He's the reason I'm here. Oh, we got a type error. Type error. Line 90. Line straight time. Okay. What is going on? Why do we have a type error? Ooh. We have run into our first problem. The error occurs because the stock data is a timestamp object, not a string. To fix this, you need to convert timestamp object. This is the helpful part about GPT. Any like long stuff that can easily be done, it'll do for you very correctly and precisely, which is why I think none of us have any excuses to build coding projects. You guys are my witness, man. I've worked on this project for 3 days and look, I've gotten pretty far and I put like maybe 5-6 hours in. So there's no excuses. You guys gotta get on it, fam. Let's see though. Hopefully this works. I watched Amin's video about getting it. You're doing God's work, bro. Yeah, bro. Shout out to Amin. That guy's a legend. He's one of my very close friends. I've known him since I was in grade 7. So that guy's like, we're OGs. He lives in Toronto, though I live in Calgary now. But we used to live in the same country. And we got very close there. We've been through a lot of shit together. So that guy, like, he's definitely someone that you have to check out his videos. That guy's awesome, bro. And he actually, he's the one who told me to do all this. So like, shout out to him, man. Amazing guy, very intelligent person. And yeah, I tell him all the time. I'm like, bro, you gotta come back to streaming. Make a deep learning project for the next stream. First I want to finish this one, but I am down to also do that one for sure. We will definitely also do that one. But right now I'm just currently trying to finish this project. But I will do the deep learning stuff as well eventually, because at this point you might as well have to do it, right? Just to get an internship. Let's see if this new code works. Right here. Let's see. Hopefully we don't get any errors. Oh, it's taking a while to load up. Ah, 14, 13. But yeah, no, I will definitely look into that stuff, man. Like, it's probably worth it and all that. One second, guys. My mom's calling me. Just one second. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm back. As you guys can see, we have predicted basically, I think, the next month's worth of stuff. So we have our future predictions over here. So now we basically have what we need for this machine learning model. Although this can kind of be inaccurate. I don't know why it's going up like this. But I guess it's predicting Apple's booming. But based off the testing and training data, I think that this is worth looking at. It's going based off this, I think. So it's probably just taking that trend. Obviously, it's not going to be fully accurate, but we have some machine learning going on clearly. But yeah. So we have all this done. Now all we really need to do is because now we have the future prediction. Oh, did I close that tab? Oh, we have like a Python rocket ship going on. Why did I close it? That's not me. Um, so this is just for Apple's data. Obviously, like we're gonna have to build more stuff, like and a database and all that. But I'll just like put the graph up again. I think we'll keep it at the graph and for now, and then tomorrow, what I'll try to do is I'll try to make it so that we are able to present that within the HTML, CSS stuff that we already had done, or through our Flask application. Now, I'm gonna ask GPT. So this is the graph. Okay, now it's predicting it's going down. So maybe this is a little more of a realistic prediction here that it's just done. So I guess it predicts differently every time. So let's see. For I want to put the I want to present the data on the Flask stuff after I put the I want to present the data on the Flask stuff after I put the AAPL ticker. I want to present, my English is cooked right now, the future stock. I want to present the predicted next month price. I wish I could stream for longer today because we are getting a lot of engagement today, but I just ended up not having as much time, which is kind of not ideal. But we got in a lot of work today, so that was pretty good. But yeah, we're getting a lot of likes too. We have 5 likes already. Although I think the likes go away after the stream ends, which kind of sucks. But yeah. But yeah, guys, more engagement in chat. Come on, bro. We gotta get more. Hi, how are you? Diraj from yesterday as well. I'm good, man. How are you? How is everything with you? Um, we already had that, I think, the loop. Did I have the loop for iron data time step? Do I have the loop? I don't think I have the loop. So we'll put all this in there. It's okay, man. Just keep the streak going. Yeah, you're right, bro. I think it's all about the streak at the end of the day. Gotta hustle and all that. Um, let's see. Let's cook. Maybe this will present it. Result.html. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. This makes sense. I was expecting a reply on LinkedIn. Bro, I didn't even see I saw you texted me at like 6 a.m. my time. Maybe I just opened it by accident. I didn't see your most recent message. Um, why am I doing this? App.py. Copy code. What is it? Is the file structure supposed to like? We'll make a result.html, new file, result.html. And then, like, it's 6 a.m. for me now, time zone. Oh, really? And why are you up right now? Styles index, nice stock predictor. I'm from India. Oh yeah, I figured. I did figure. But what's the like? Is there a benefit of like staying up in India? Like, do you guys try to like work with the West time, or like how does it work? Um, hey man, keep at it. I gotta go. I'll hit you up on my progress too. I'm so down to exchange tips and help and make community. No, 100%, bro. Thank you for coming, Mohammed. It was really nice having you and stuff like that. And Diraj, yeah, I like the grind though. It's pretty late to be awake, but you are up. You're hustling. That's awesome, man. Um, index.html. Let's just update these. Um, result.html. Um, okay, let's try to run this. Control C. Um, what did I just do? Here. Okay. And then pip install. Python app.py. Let's see, hopefully this works. Okay, we're cooking. Okay, let's see what this gives us. Let's see, okay. The image is gone. I don't know what happened with that. We have to fix that. I don't know why it's gone. Predictor. Let's see. It's loading. Guess it just does not stop loading. Does everything else work? Why is the image gone? Maybe the HTML that I have. Oh, yeah. What if I just changed it back to its old? Oh, okay, wait. Oh, it was loading up the data. Okay, so it might work actually. And then let's run this again. Hopefully it works this time. I think the image should be on there again this time because I changed the HTML file. That's why I think it wasn't working. Yeah, image is back. AAPL. Okay, let's see what's happening with the terminal. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully we have a really nice looking HTML page because we have to wait for this to load. Although obviously it's not ideal that it takes this long for it to load. I'm flexible with time zones. Once I worked with UK based startup. Oh, awesome. How did that go for you? Terminating due to uncaught exemption of NS. Okay. Let's see. I don't have that much time. I have like 6 nights. So yeah, it's just a week struggle, then everything is fine. That's really great, man. It shows you're dedicated. That's awesome. Let's see. What happened here? What has happened here? There here is related to trying to create a map in a non-main thread, which can. Okay, I guess it's rewriting. It was great. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. I will check your LinkedIn message after this stream, and we can talk there about what you wanted to tell me. But let's see if this fixes anything. App.py. Yeah, man, can you summarize what you are doing today? So I was just building the machine learning model here, and we're basically done. We've got everything is trained and tested. Now I'm predicting the next month's stock price. We're using Apple right now. We have all of Apple stock data over here, and I'm just trying to see what I can, if I can get it to show on my result page on my website. So yeah, let's just try running it one more time. Hopefully this time it works. If not, we'll do the rest tomorrow. But let's do this again. How? What stock ticker should I use to test this? Okay, we'll put AAPL. And then it waits here. I know it loads up here. Great, man. Have you extracted the model? Can you, what does that mean, extracted the model? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, I think we got it. So here are our predicted stock prices for Apple next month. It goes like this. This is till the end of the month. Obviously, we can make this look a lot better. We show our graph what we think is gonna happen. We think the price is gonna drop extremely, but I don't know why. I think it's saying this in the next month is gonna drop like that. So it's gonna go from the current price $210 to about 186. I don't know. Why is it saying oh no, sorry, it's gonna go to 91, which is a steady decrease. This is going into October almost. So this is like 5 to 6 months. So we obviously I think it's we have to change it a bit. So we got something working over here. We can make it look a lot better though, but the machine learning is clearly working, although this is kind of off, but we will work on that next time. I'll try to figure everything out, but what's the time? That's a heavy decrease though. The current price is correct, but our testing prediction just went boom down to like October. I'll try to like set the dates here as well. I don't think you guys can fully see everything. Like this is what it looks like, and then there's like a go back button. I don't know. Yeah, it goes back, and then yeah, but it takes so long for it to fully predict it. Like, what is the basis of the after training we extract it so it becomes portable? Dude, I still don't. This is my first time doing machine learning. I mean algorithm. What is the basis of? We're doing LSTM. LSTM. So it's an RNN. I think you recommended that, so I'm using that. But we have to. I think it's somewhat accurate because before when I was testing it, it was fine. But okay, yeah, this time look, it's a lot more reasonable. It goes up until like October of like the October month. But it's pretty decent, yeah. Like sometimes it has its moments, but right now I predicted it like only to drop $20 in the next like six months or so. So from June to October, it predicted it's gonna drop $20. So that's not bad. And then there's like a little go back button, but good. LSTM is great. Yeah, it's working pretty well for this. I think we have a lot of it done actually, Dheeraj. I think it's just gonna become like a visualization thing, making this look better. But I think after that, I'll be done with this project. So maybe we start a new one. I'll see. Because this one is pretty simple. Like obviously, I'm not trying to build like a proper stock predictor that's gonna be 100% accurate. But yeah, it's machine learning, right? Like it's not gonna be perfect because if that was the case, we'd all be rich, right? But yeah, I'll just go back. Yeah, so for now we got our new page, our new machine learning algorithm. I'm not gonna push any of this code just yet because there's obviously still some stuff we have to work with, and all that. But yeah, for now this is not that bad. Um, we'll do it one more time actually. I just want to see, is it doing it till 30 days or is it doing it longer? I gotta leave the chat. No worries, man. Thank you for coming once again. I really appreciate your presence. We'll talk on LinkedIn. Yeah, for sure, bro. We will indeed talk on LinkedIn. Maybe like tomorrow because I'm a little busy tonight, but we'll definitely talk tomorrow. But yeah, let's just see. It's cooking up. Nice. So this is how many bullet points is this? Does this predict it for the next 4 months? These are the prices it gave me. Can you zoom in on the last months to see the prediction clearly? Yep. Where is it? Bruh, it left. Oh, here. So it's kind of, yeah, it goes until October, I think, but it goes down steadily. Um, uh, yeah, so it does 120 trading days. So 120, how many is 120 days in a month? Yeah, sorry, 120 days in months. Terrible English there. So yeah, it does for the next 4 months. So that's like a decent, I guess. Yeah, that's a decent prediction. It's not terrible. And then yeah, the stock prices just show here. But it does sharp increase. I mean, that is, yeah, 4 months, there's either a steady increase or a steady decrease. So that makes sense, at least to me. But yeah, not bad. Obviously, we're gonna try to make it look a lot better. But for now, that's pretty good, I think. We'll keep working on it further though. But I think that's a good amount of that is a good amount of work done. I'm happy with that. And as of right now, I think that is enough for today. We could keep working, but we'll have to see. We are maxing out on stuff here, so we have to push a lot of stuff. We will do it. Thopu, do you know if I should push all this stuff? I think this just comes with the ENV library and stuff. Is it okay for me to push all this, or what do you think? I think it'll like mess it up though, but I'm not sure. Maybe I just put it in the ENV library thing, like here, I guess. Yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter if I push it, because I need it anyways. Oh, are you saying I should push it or I shouldn't? Don't push it? Okay. I guess we're gonna have to delete all this. That's fair. I have to set up GitHub secrets. I will look into that for next time. For now, I'll just keep everything saved so that I don't lose it. But thank you for that recommendation. Let's just save everything. Control C. Command S. Command S. Yeah, I think that's just the move. Command S. This is extra Apple data, but I don't want to delete it just in case. Command S. Hell, this even Command S, bro. Yeah, I think I should be fine. Yeah, I think I should be good. One way to tell GitHub to ignore env is to include the env folder in a file named gitignore. I will look into that. Thank you. That's actually really great advice, Thobu. I will definitely remember that. I'll do it for next time. I'm very short on time right now, so I think I'm gonna call the stream off right now. Bro, just go to the top file section and turn on autosave. That is also a very good idea. Where's the autosave? Autosave. Dheeraj with some good advice. That way, when you push code, your email will be ignored by Git and the changes you made in other files. That is very true. I will, yeah, I have autosave now, and I will also do the git ignore stuff. But for today, let's call off the stream. We are rapidly growing right now. We are at about, let's look at how much we're at. We are at about, we are at about 316 views on last stream, 409 on the other, 62 subscribers, which is a very heavy increase from yesterday, 15 subscribers. And yeah, we just gotta keep going, guys. We gotta keep growing, we gotta keep fighting, and we're gonna make a very strong community, and we're all gonna get into the tech market by the end of this journey. And I'm gonna make sure that we're all gonna make it. Thopu already has his internship. Dheeraj probably has some stuff going on as well in India. But we're all gonna make it. That's what this journey is for, to show everyone that there is a way and that they should not be afraid of this market. But yeah, guys, everyone who watches, please subscribe. You should do a prediction on your subscriber growth. I think I'm just gonna put it at 10 million. That's gonna be it's gonna go up like this. There's no prediction. There's no algorithm either. It just goes zoom up. It's linear. But yeah, no, awesome idea, Thopu. You're an ML engineer. That's great, Dheeraj. Yeah, I saw your LinkedIn. I did see you're big on like DevOps and all that stuff, ML. That's awesome to see. But everyone else who's watching who isn't subscribed, man, you guys gotta all subscribe. We're gonna grow to the moon. And yeah, guys, thank you again to Amin Bagir. I think he is on this live right now, but I think we might have it on mute or something. But thank you to everyone. Check all my videos out. You're gonna love to see. Yesterday we did Leet Code. We had some fun. Me and Thopu were talking during it. We were able to solve both problems that I did very successfully. I know this shows GPT, but GPT didn't do shit for me. You can watch the actual video. But yeah, we solved the unique paths and the merged two-sort linked list, which was an easy problem, but it did have a 64% acceptance rate. But yeah, guys, other than that, it was great having you guys on the stream today. This is a little shorter stream than usual, but yeah, I'm gonna call it a day for now because I do have to leave right now in 10 minutes literally. But thank you all for tuning in. My OGs, Amin Bagiri, Thopu, Dheeraj, Mohammed Sumru today, Abdullah Khan, Sticky Boog, all of you guys. I hope to see you again next stream. And yeah, have a great day, everyone.